How to connect Twitter to Discord. So if you want to connect Twitter to Discord, first open up your Discord application and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you can go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and then you can go for settings, which is on the upper right. Tap on settings, and here if you scroll down, here you will find connections option. Tap on connections and go for add, which is on the upper right, and from here you can choose Twitter or the X application. Once you've tapped on that, it will take you to the website or the web browser, and here you need to enter your username or your email of your Twitter, and then you need to enter the password of your Twitter. And once you enter the email and password, tap on remember me and then tap on authorize app. And once you tap on that, your Twitter will be added or connected to Discord. So that's it. That's how you connect your Twitter to your Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.